Hi guys, today I will be explaining about adding user in your Stripe. This is a simple task, and you can see I am already on my Stripe dashboard. And here, take a look on the left side of your computer screen. Here, you will see different options. From these options, you have to tap on the last option, which is called Settings. After tapping on the option setting, just scroll a bit. And in Business Setting, you have to find the Option Team, which is just below to Team and Security. Once you tap on the Option Team, you will be redirected to this page. And on the right top, you will see the option, New Member. Just tap on it. After tapping on New Member, you will see a pop-up. In this pop-up, on the first number, you have to write the email address of that user. Just for example, I wrote this. After writing, you have to select the rule. It's up to you which type of role you want to give to that user. I will always suggest to select the last one, which is called View Only. After selecting, tap on the option Invite. Once you will tap on the option Invite, then that user will get an invitation. And once that invitation will be accepted from that user, then that will be in your Stripe team. And it was the simplest way by which you can add user in your Stripe account.